Welcome to SHI's Next Gen Device Lab, where innovation drives business transformation. At SHI, we empower organizations to reimagine the workplace. In our Device Lab, you'll gain hands-on access to the latest AI-powered PCs, immersive AR/VR headsets, and cutting-edge devices from top OEMs, all designed to elevate productivity, collaboration, and employee experience. Explore real-world AI software solutions on modern endpoint devices. Benchmark performance, usability, and compatibility with your workforce personas so you can make data-driven decisions that align with your business goals. With SHI's proprietary tool, BenchSmart, you can intelligently compare how devices handle AI workloads and match them to your workforce needs, enabling smarter, faster, and more cost-effective technology investments. Our end-user integration center is built for collaboration. Through workshops and tailored solutioning, we help you finalize the right tech stack to drive innovation, improve employee satisfaction, and build a resilient IT strategy. SHI's Next Gen Device Lab is your launchpad for smarter, more personalized workplace solutions. Discover how SHI can help you unlock the full potential of your device strategy.